Okay, this is a part for now. Need to get 150,000 to get meter. So let me watch me with this click. This is not my other clicker. This is just my hands. So let's click it. Ayo, why I just said that. Yeah, we in 75. I want Yula. I know. I don't need to say that again, bro. We need 1 million. Oh, you are cute. Row. Oh, we need to kill you, guys. We need 1 million. My hands is too speedy. And I have another hand to get ×2 speed. Click. I don't need to get auto clicker. I am too fast to click now. I am the world fastest clicker. Look, I am gonna get so many funds to get Wenda. Yeah. And now we in 1 million to buy Wenda. Oh wow. Okay, I don't need that. Wait, why I just don't get money? Ah! Okay, we need to. This look like Brainrot Evolution, but we need to punch things. Brainrot Evolution, you need to kill things. This is for punching things. What the hell? Okay, but it's resist 30. We need to get a shot. Okay, it's now